Everyone thinks the best-selling egg incubator is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Anju Automatic Egg Incubator. The Anju Automatic Egg Incubator, priced at $64.99. I was drawn in by its promise of precision temperature control and automatic humidity management. If you want consistent hatching success without constant monitoring, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The digital temperature control maintains an accurate range for hatching, ensuring your eggs are in the best environment possible. It even features a smart humidity system that automatically adjusts throughout the incubation stages, making it easier for you to focus on other things without worrying about manual refills. Plus, it can hold up to 18 standard eggs, which is great for duck eggs. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or have limited space, this compact design might actually be a blessing. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or want a straightforward setup. Skip this one if you're looking to hatch a large number of eggs at once. For the price, it offers a solid balance of features and reliability. Now, if the Anju size was a concern for you, the next incubator might just be the solution you need.
Product number 2, Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator. The Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator, retailing at $137.93. The first thing that caught my eye was its 360-degree visibility feature, which lets you monitor your eggs from any angle. If you want to keep an eye on your precious duck eggs, this one deserves your attention. One of the standout features is its ability to hold up to 22 chicken eggs or 12 to 18 duck eggs, making it quite versatile. Plus, with its automatic turning mechanism and humidity control, you can relax knowing that your eggs are being cared for. The airflow system ensures even heat distribution, which is crucial for hatch rates. However, some users mentioned the fan noise being a bit louder than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using this in a barn or a place where noise isn't an issue, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable incubator that offers great visibility and automatic features. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or need a very quiet device. It's a good investment for those serious about hatching eggs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget.
Product number 3 is the APDOE Hatch Pro 12. The APDOE Hatch Pro 12 is next, priced at just $43.99. I was genuinely surprised by how budget-friendly this incubator is while still packing some advanced features. If you're looking for a reliable but affordable option, this could be your choice. With its automatic egg turning every 2 hours, it mimics natural conditions, improving embryo development without the hassle of manual turning. Plus, the humidity control system is also a big plus, with only a few refills needed throughout the incubation. On the downside, it only holds 12 eggs, which may not be enough for some users, but honestly, if you're just starting out or don't have too many eggs to hatch, this might be perfect for you. This is ideal for beginners or those wanting a low-maintenance incubator. Skip this if you're looking to hatch larger batches at once. For the price, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you want something with a bit more capacity, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, iBanking's 12-egg incubator. Then we have the iBanking's 12-egg incubator, which comes in at $36.09. Right off the bat, I loved its easy-to-read LED display for temperature and humidity settings. If you want something simple yet effective, this is worth considering. The automatic egg turning feature really helps improve hatch rates, stopping just before hatching to mimic natural conditions. The external water refill system is a game changer, letting you maintain humidity without opening the incubator. Plus, the 360-degree view is super handy for monitoring your eggs. However, some users have noted issues with the temperature accuracy. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep an eye on it and make minor adjustments, it shouldn't significantly impact your hatching results. This is perfect for those who appreciate straightforward, user-friendly designs. Skip this if you're expecting high-tech features or need to hatch a large number of eggs at once. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're after something a bit larger, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, APW18 Egg Incubator. We have the APW18 Egg Incubator priced at $49.99.
The first thing I noticed was its dual tray setup, which can hold various egg sizes, making it super versatile. If you want an incubator that can grow with your needs, this one's worth a look. This incubator boasts customizable turning intervals and automated alerts for temperature and humidity. The external water refill system is also impressive, making it easy to maintain the right environment for hatching. Plus, its built-in egg candler is a nice touch for monitoring development. However, some users found the instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. This is ideal for serious hatching enthusiasts or classrooms. Skip this if you want something simpler or if you're only hatching a couple of eggs. It's a great value for what you get.
So, there you have it. We've covered the Anju, Harris Farms, APDO Hatch Pro 12, IB Kinks, and APDO 18. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you need. Whether you're a beginner or looking for something more advanced, there's an option here for you. Happy hatching!